Hey guys, today I will show you how to watch 360-degree videos in VLC Media Player. VLC now supports 360 video playback in its modern versions, so you can look around inside the video. First, make sure you have VLC 3.0 or newer installed on your computer. Open VLC and go to Media, Open File, or press Ctrl-O to browse for your 360 video. Select the 360 video file. VLC will load it normally like any other video. Once the video starts playing, you will see it in a spherical view if it's tagged correctly. Now click and drag your mouse inside the video to look around, left and right for horizontal view and up and down for vertical. You can also scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in and out on the scene or use your keyboard. Use the arrow keys to pan and pitch and zoom in or out. If your video doesn't look 360 and just shows a flat frame, it may be missing the proper 360 metadata. In that case, use a tool like Google's Spatial Media Metadata Injector to tag the video correctly before playing it. Make sure your file is in a standard rectangular 360 format. Other projections may not work well. Also note that some high-resolution 360 videos might not rotate smoothly in VLC. For the best viewing experience, use desktop VLC on Windows or Mac. And that's it. Now you can enjoy panoramic 360 videos right inside VLC Media Player. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.